It was mostly sunny.
Let's go!
The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for Chatham County in southeastern Georgia, Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fuller, Savannah International Airport, Godley Station, the Interstate 16, Interstate 95 Interchange, Garden City, Fort Worth, Hardyville, Bloomingdale, Minard, and Monteith. Automated rain gauges indicate that hourly rainfall rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour are occurring in this area. The best chance for flash flooding impacts that could close roads will be from around Bloomingdale to Port Whitworth and Limehouse. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Report flooding directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024 or email your reports to nws.charlestonsc@noaa.gov.